Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it.
Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and
Kayla.
And Kayla got a shipment, y'all, from, like, y'all seen the title, from Amazon and Temu. And so she decided to come on over and show you guys everything because we're just going to jump start back into 2024. It has been a while since we have been on with you guys, and I knew you guys would appreciate it. So we're just going to let Kayla jump right on in, and I'll just kind of be here on the side giving my commentary.
Alright,
What we
so
starting with?
I'm starting with my Black History t-shirts because not only is it Valentine's month, but it's also Black History Month, and I wanted to get some cute teacher t-shirts from Amazon. So I got one that says Black Teacher Magic. That's super cute.
That is cute. I can wear that. Oh, but I'm not a teacher. Wah, wah.
And then I got this one, and it has a bunch of hearts. It says dream like Martin, lead like Harriet, fight like Malcolm, and a bunch of others.
It's really
So it's a
cute.
bunch of cute hearts. And I got it in light blue because I didn't want to keep getting black t-shirts.
Yeah, I know y'all might hear that outside. We are getting some thunderstorms. And then I told Kayla come over here, and I bet she like, I could be sitting at my house.
But there's more parking spots now because people have moved out. So. Okay, and then here's another one
From
Amazon. Oh, this one's small
Ooh, that is.
compared to these ones.
Oh God. Yeah, those are kind of rough. This is what Port and Company, and what is that one?
Nothing.
But it's soft.
Let's see. 60% polyester, 35% rayon, and 5% spandex.
You would think it's cotton.
Says
It's soft.
Black women make history. I thought this was really cute. Okay. And then from Amazon, I need some more stamps because the stamps that I bought, they're not good. They just don't. The ink, I don't know. The ink doesn't come out, so
Inking.
I'm hoping that these are good. And there's a bunch of different ones, like 100%, good job, magical, way to go, all those different ones. And it's school bus. So it's the #1 teacher. Okay. Now what I've been waiting for.
Lemonade. I do have scissors. I guess I'm gonna be the trusty assistant today.
Please.
No, I was gonna try to scoot behind you.
Please, scissors assistant. They just go.
I love it though. But you have to be careful, huh? Because you don't want to cut anything.
Right here. Oh, I guess I shouldn't cut towards myself.
There you go. I would do just that. I wouldn't do any more than that. And then I would just dig my hands in there.
Ooh.
What?
I'm excited for this one.
You scared me. It was almost like it was.
This is like so big. Okay. This is a really cute sweet tart. Oh, I think we did cut it.
Yeah, oh, see?
This is a sweet tart jogging set.
Let me see.
So here's the pants.
At the moment.
And
Oh,
the
how
front
cute.
has like little sweet carrots. And it says, best day, kiss me, hug me.
That's
And
cute.
then this is the top. And it has all of the,
Oh, that is cute.
just wait.
Oh, there's more. That is super cute. Do you know what the price of something like that was on Temu?
I think it was like 15 something. Then I got the sweetheart headband
Oh, how cute.
in pink and red. I know one teacher's gonna be mad at me because she said let me know and I forgot.
Oh,
But
cute.
I got a 2-pack and I think this was only like $3. those.
The pink one's gonna be cute with that, I think.
Then I already have a red and pink heart sweater, but I wanted a pink and pink heart sweater. It was soft. So I got a really cute pink sweater.
That is nice.
With a sweetheart.
I'm gonna have to borrow this. It's like it's so
Oh, this red shirt, and it says, "My class is full of sweethearts."
Aww.
Even when they don't act like
I love it. I love that. She got some good stuff. And then, and the headband can go with this one.
Pack of earrings. Oh, yeah.
The red one can go with this one.
Got a pack of earrings. I love getting earrings from there because they always have like packs for cheap.
Oh, really?
Got these cute little pink ones.
Oh, okay.
And then.
And y'all know I don't get down like that with earrings.
You should.
Those are super cute.
But I really just wanted it for these.
Oh, so it comes with all of them for one price?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see.
I don't like the way that looks.
Why?
I don't know.
I like them. They're sturdy. They're kind of heavy too. Why you don't
I have these
the
in
bumpy
green
bumps
or
on
something
them?
similar, yeah. And then there's these ones. Pink heart.
That is so cute.
But I think this was like
look, I'm saying I
$2
need to get.
dollars.
I was gonna say I need to get on Temu, but maybe I don't need to get back on Temu.
But
But I've been happy with some of the things that I've gotten. I've gotten lots of compliments on a lot of the things that I've gotten from Temu, and it's crazy because Temu. It kind of started off where we were like, it's just cheap stuff.
Yeah.
No, Temu got some
But
quality stuff on there.
Like if I see something on Amazon, I always go on Temu and check. And Shein too. I go on Temu and check because 9 times out of 10 they have the same stuff.
I've still yet to shop at Shein. Not like I don't want to. It's just other priorities of other things that I spend my money on.
And then I also got these red ones.
I
don't have any red.
Oh no,
They're
you had
pink.
them in pink.
But these are better than the pink ones.
And what's so cool is that Kayla looks really cute in the colors. Like when we went on vacation. I don't know if you guys have seen that video yet. If you haven't, go on to Journey with the Joneses and check it out. When we were all on the Carnival Jubilee just a few weeks ago. And a lot of her clothes were very vibrant, pink and greens and stuff like that. Really pretty colors. So you guys go check out
A lot
Journey
of
with the Joneses.
the kids at school that were not here today because they're going to Galveston.
Oh, well, yeah. Okay. Well, I'm happy for them.
Sweetheart earrings. Oh, you can't see that. Yeah.
Ooh, is it too bright?
There we go. To match the sweatsuit and the headband.
Super darn.
And I like this one. This is another Black History Month shirt.
Oh.
I think this was the only one I could find on Temu, but it says Black History Month, and then it's crossed out and it says period underneath.
Black History, period.
And I like the orange. Okay, and then this is the last one. Oh, it doesn't look like how I wanted it to.
No, let's just see. I don't even know what it's supposed
I thought
to
it was
say.
gonna be the iron-on letters, but it's printed iron-on letters.
They fooled you, huh?
It's like a big
But it's still
sweater.
cute.
Yeah. It's a cute sweater.
I wonder if we can get the letters and do it ourselves.
I thought it was gonna be like.
Yeah, puffy. You wanted puffy letters, right?
Mm-hmm.
I
But
wonder
it's
if we
not
can-
bad though.
if we
Cause I was
can
just
get
gonna
them.
wear this with some tights, boots.
It's cute.
I think that's everything.
They be stuff and people don't even play. They ain't even trying to be cute with their delivery, honey. But
That's
you're
it.
always so super excited to see it come. So thank you guys for tuning in. If this is a video that you liked it and you want to see more, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. You know, you never know if you girl.
There will be more coming for March.
Oh, there will be more.
I need green.
Oh, she needs green in St. Patrick's. She always dresses up in different for the holidays for her kids, get them excited and stuff like that. So I think that's super cool.
Cause today was the 100th day of school. I didn't even know. I thought that was past.
That's why I had a coworker that told me that she dropped her grandson off and the people were dressed up.
Yeah, they were dressed like old people, and the kindergarten hallway had their stuff. And then my team was like, "Oh yeah, we're not doing that." I was like, well, I wanted to know. I would have paid the shirt.
Yeah. So.
Sad.
Yeah, but if this is something that you guys like and want to see more of, don't forget to go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you like this, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, y'all, so that you're notified every time we put up a video, so that way you can go ahead and see it. You'll be the first to see it, so that you can comment below and let us know which of these outfits or earrings or whatever, what was your favorite part of the entire haul, okay? But thank you, Kayla, so much for letting us see everything. Because when she said she got her Temu package, I was like, oh, I want to see everything. So we decided to just go ahead and throw the camera up and let you guys see it too. So you got to see it firsthand just like I did. So thank you again for tuning in. Yeah. Don't forget to do all the things that I said. Subscribe,
like,
comment, like.
Subscribe.
Oh,
and
and
hit the bell.
share.
Oh, yes.
And why wouldn't you share? Because sharing is caring. And my name is Karen. So why wouldn't you share? Alright. Alright guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
And I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life.